we need to break this wedge pattern that's heading low. Normally what happens with falling wedges, they break higher. So let's just keep an eye on that. Let's see what happens. You should have loads of support around the 1,120.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we are having a look at the price of Palladium. We're going to have a look at where the chart's been over the week and where it could be potentially be heading next. Okay, so over the long term, on the monthly, we can see we are down on Palladium. However, it looks like it's had a little bit of a bounce around the 1,154 area. So this is going to the daily and have a closer look and see what we can find. So on the daily, we had our parallel channel. Okay, so as you can see, we've been trading within this parallel channel, but it now looks like we have broken it. Okay, we've gone lower and we're just heading much lower. However, I've drawn in some line here which looks like a falling wedge. So you've got the top area right here, and then you've got the lower area of that falling wedge just beneath right here. You can see the price is currently trading above this wedge pattern. So we've touched it there, gone higher, come back and touched it, gone higher, touched it again. Can we head a little bit higher? Yes, we could. We need to break this wedge pattern that's heading low. Normally what happens with falling wedges, they break higher. So let's just keep an eye on that. Let's see what happens. You should have loads of support around the 1,120, 25 area, or 1,130. You should have plenty of support. And if you can hold that area, and if you can break above this falling wedge pattern, then it could head higher. If it head higher, then we could have resistance around the 1,500 area. Okay, so let's just go into the daily, so the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, we can see that falling wedge. Okay, we are trading within it. We just need to keep an eye on it and just see which direction it's going to head next. Just a quick look at the 10 minutes. So on the 10 minutes, we can see here that we did trade slightly below that wedge on the 10 minutes. However, we didn't close below it, and we are still inside of it. Could we have some strength in the price over the coming few days? Maybe. If we do, then we know we could head up to sort of 1,340 before we run into any sort of resistance. Okay, so that will conclude the charting of Palladium for today. But as you can see, this is what we need to keep an eye on, this wedge. Let's see over the next few days or the coming week what happens to the price. If you like the video, you can like, share, subscribe, share, leave your comment, turn on your notification to be notified of our latest videos, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.